Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to connect IP camera to DVR or NVR. Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution. Okay, let's begin. Firstly, we need to download the Dahua config tool to configure the DVR or NVR as shown here. Once the IP tool is installed, it will open automatically and you can begin the IP configuration of the DVR/NVR. You will be able to find the DVR/NVR on the device list. Select the DVR/NVR in the list and change the IP address according to your IP range. I will show you how to find out the gateway of your network. There are many ways to find the gateway. The easiest way is to run the command prompt and type ipconfig and you will be able to see the gateway IP address in the below list. The gateway IP address is compulsory to connect the IP camera to DVR/NVR. Once the correct IP address is assigned to DVR/NVR, now you are able to log in to DVR/NVR to connect the IP camera. Click the web option to open the login page of the DVR/NVR. Log in with your username and password which you have created already. Now you need to select Management Network and then select TCP/IP to configure the network parameters. If you want to link your DVR/NVR to remote DVR/NVR, then you must configure TCP port and HTTP port. If you want to view your CCTV cameras on new mobile devices, then you must enable the P2P option in the DVR/NVR. Now let's see how to connect the IP camera to the DVR/NVR. Go to Camera, Channel Type and change the required channel number IP and save it. To add the camera, select Registration, Show Filter and select Other to view the cameras available on the network. Select the required camera on the above list and add it. Now you have to edit and change username and password of the IP camera. Congratulations, you have just added the IP cameras successfully. Now let's see how to troubleshoot if you have experienced any of the following issues, such as changing the resolution, bitrate, frame rate or recording plan, etc. If you face any issues in your hard disk, try to format it. If the issue still exists, then unfortunately you must change the hard disk. If you have forgotten the DVR/NVR password, click Forgot Password option to reset the password. You are able to reset the password once you have the exact email address once you have provided while initializing the DVR/NVR. Try to change the display resolution if the TV input is not detecting the DVR/NVR. Please reboot the DVR/NVR to apply the changes. I do hope this video has helped you. Okay guys, I will catch you on the next video. Stay tuned.